Good afternoon, everyone. This is our issue in English. Bullying. Our issue is bullying. Bullying is a form of aggressive behavior where an individual or a group intentionally and repeatedly cause harm, discomfort, or intimidation to another person. It typically involves a power imbalance where the bully has more physical strength, social status, or influence over the victim. Bullying can occur in various settings such as school, workplace, online, cyberbullying, or social environments. These are the types of bullying.
Physical bullying involves physical harm such as hitting, kicking, or pushing.
Verbal bullying includes insults, name-calling, threats, or derogatory comments. Social.
Social relational bullying involves spreading rumors, excluding someone from a group or damaging their relationships.
Cyberbullying takes place online through social media, text messages, or other digital platforms, often anonymously. Emotional bullying focuses on hurting someone's feeling or self-esteem through humiliation or manipulation. Effects of bullying.
Bullying can have serious consequences for both the victim and the bully. Victims may experience anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, or physical health problems. In several cases, bullying has been linked to self-harm or suicide. Bullies may also face long-term issues such as difficulty forming healthy relationships and legal or disciplinary actions.
How to address bullying? Never mind. Bullying is when someone is hurt by unwanted words or actions, usually more than once, and has a hard time stopping what is happening to them. Bullying is a significant social issue with wide-ranging impacts on individual families, and communities. Here are some key issues related to bullying. Mental health consequence. For victims, bullying often leads to anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, and in severe cases, suicidal thoughts or actions. Academic and workplace impacts. School bullying victims may struggle academically due to fear of attending school, lack of concentration, or declining motivation.
Cyberbullying. The rise of social media and digital platforms has made bullying more pervasive and harder to escape. Cyberbullying allows bullies to harass anonymously and around the clock, increasing the psychological toll.
Cultural and societal norms. In some communities, bullying behaviors may be downplayed or accepted as toughened up. This cultural attitude can make it harder to address the problem effectively. Long-term societal cost.
The long-term effects of bullying contribute to societal issues like mental health crisis, reduced workforce productivity, and higher healthcare costs.
Addressing the issue. Promote anti-bullying education and campaigns to build awareness. Establish and enforce zero-tolerance policies in schools and workplace. These are the key characteristics of bullying. Intentional harm. The bully's actions are deliberate and meant to cause distress.
Repetition. Bullying typically happens multiple times over a period.
Power imbalance. The bully uses physical strength, social influence, or other advantages over the victim. And that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our vlog today. Thank you very much. We are
Actor ka?
and bilyas. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.